friends, it's Dina here with Eat, Laugh, Review. Just real quick, I know it's Saturday and I'm out of my norm here, but I just wanted to pop on real quick to wish Lil Diva a happy birthday from the Diva's Den. Her birthday's today, and I just wish her a great happy birthday. And also, it's National Devil's Food Cake Day today. And what better way to celebrate a birthday and National Devil's Food Cake Day with the vegan Devil's Food Cupcake? Right? I know. So Lil Diva, this one's for you. I wish you a happy, the best birthday ever, and a great day. And I hope you have lots of cake and lots of fun gifts. And I hope you enjoy your day. We love you here from Eat, Laugh, Review. And now, we eat. Look at the cupcake, how cute it is with the sprinkles here. So good and delicious. Can't wait to eat it. Look how good it looks. Yummy, yum. Mmm. Mmm. It's so good. This vegan cupcake is just the bomb.com. So delicious. Hope everyone is enjoying their Devil's Food Cake Day. Just another reason to eat cake, right? And Lil Diva, I hope you have a great one. We love you here from Eat, Laugh, Review. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, Lil Diva. Happy birthday.